Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and ready-to-go gaming desktop that can handle today's AAA titles, VR experiences, and creative workloads, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is definitely one to keep an eye on. This pre-built machine blends cutting-edge hardware with sleek aesthetics and a user-friendly setup experience that's perfect for gamers, streamers, and productivity users alike. At its core, the Gamer Xtreme VR is powered by the Intel Core i5-13400F processor, featuring 10 cores and impressive multi-threaded performance. This CPU runs at a base clock of 2.5 GHz and can boost much higher under load. Whether you're deep into a fast-paced FPS session or multitasking with a stream, multiple browser tabs, and background apps running, this processor maintains smooth and consistent performance. It's not just built for gaming. It's excellent for video editing, light 3D rendering, and day-to-day work as well. But let's be honest, the real highlight here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of VRAM. This new generation GPU brings a fantastic balance of performance and efficiency. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Baldur's Gate 3 can easily run at high to ultra settings, especially at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. With DLSS 3 and ray tracing support, you get sharper visuals, smoother frame rates, and truly immersive lighting effects that make your games look better than ever. It's also fully VR ready, so if you've been thinking about exploring virtual reality gaming, this machine is more than capable of handling it with confidence. The performance foundation is supported by 16 GB of DDR5 memory running at 6000 MHz, which is a major improvement over older DDR4 systems. DDR5 not only improves data transfer speeds, but also helps with smoother multitasking and faster game load times. Pair that with the lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive, and you get quick boot-ups, near-instant app launches, and plenty of storage for games, software, and media. It's a great balance between speed and capacity right out of the box. And for those who like to expand, there's room to upgrade in the future. On the connectivity front, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is well-equipped for modern setups. You'll find a USB-C 3.2 port, 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, 6 USB 2.0 ports, and a LAN port for wire connections. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, which means you'll have faster wireless speeds and better stability for your peripherals, controllers, and headsets. The 7.1-channel audio support adds depth to your gaming soundstage, whether you're using external speakers or a gaming headset. One thing CyberPowerPC consistently gets right is design, and this model doesn't disappoint. The system features a tempered glass side panel that gives you a full view of the custom RGB lighting setup inside. The lighting is not just for show. It adds a clean, professional look to your setup, especially if you love that gamer aesthetic with glowing fans and synchronized colors. The overall build quality is solid, the cable management is neat, and the airflow is well thought out, helping to keep temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions. Another great touch is that this PC comes ready to use out of the box, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and all necessary drivers already set up. You even get a matching keyboard and mouse bundle, so you can plug it in, power it up, and start gaming in minutes. That's a huge plus for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours setting up drivers or installing components manually. CyberPowerPC also backs this system with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, along with free lifetime technical support, which gives peace of mind to anyone buying their first gaming rig or upgrading from an older machine. Their support reputation has generally been strong, and their systems are easy to service if you ever want to upgrade parts later. When it comes to real-world use, the Gamer Xtreme VR strikes an excellent balance between power, looks, and value. It's powerful enough for modern titles at high settings, fast enough for creative workloads, and stylish enough to be the centerpiece of your setup. The combination of Intel's hybrid architecture, CPU, and NVIDIA's RTX 5060 GPU ensures that you're future-proof for years of gaming to come. To sum it all up, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC offers exceptional performance, gorgeous design, and great value for money. You get the best of both worlds. Cutting-edge specs that deliver impressive gaming power and a pre-built experience that's plug-and-play simple. Whether you're upgrading from an older desktop, switching from console gaming, or diving into PC gaming for the first time, this system will give you the performance and reliability you're looking for. In short, this is a gaming PC that's ready to perform right out of the box and look great doing it.